Okay, let's get started on learning how to add sound to your animation with Adobe Animate. We will import our audio first. Go to the File menu, then click Import. This will allow you to add your audio file into the project. You can import your audio either to Stage, which is where you will see and use the audio directly on the animation canvas, or you can import it to Library, which will store the audio file in a separate control panel for easy access. We will choose Import to Library for now. And here's the Library panel, where our imported file lives. This is where all your assets will be stored for your project. From here, drag and drop your audio file onto the timeline. Now our audio file is in the timeline. Notice the waveform. This shows the sound data visually, making it easier to sync sound to our animations. Creating this layer is simple. By the way, a new layer will appear when the file is dropped. Next, let's start syncing at a keyframe on the audio layer. Ensure your animation also lines up in the timeline, so your visuals follow the audio. Make sure to properly sync and follow the sound's timing, as the visuals should match this. Finally, from the Properties panel, you can control the volume, pan, and looping. Use these features to adjust your sound. Your animation is ready for showtime.